Okay, Assalamualaikum class 10. Hope you all are fine and will be studying. We only have two students right now. Daniel, switch on the video. And who is here? Muhammad Adnan. You also please. So class 10 we was discussing last time about the types of salts. First we study about that how salts are named. We have learned that with the name of a metal along with the reaction with that metal with acid we get the salt, and along the lubrication of water. Then we studied that how many types of salts are there. We have already studied that one is of soluble type and the other one is insoluble, and after that we have also studied that how we can prepare these insoluble and soluble salts. There were different methods for soluble salts. We have studied about four methods, and then there was only one method by which we can prepare insoluble salts. Then we move towards that what are the types of salts and how they are going to be prepared. Among that, I have told some important types, like that was double salts, basic salts, and mixed salt, normal salt, acidic salt. So in the previous chapter on Wednesday, which we have gone through, I think it was Wednesday, not sure. We have studied about number one, normal salts, acidic salts, and basic salts, right? Till here we have previously done, and hope you people have done the practice as well. But if you have any question before going or before starting today's lecture, let me inform. If anybody has any confusion, so that we can first solve it out and then we will move further. Daniel, switch on your camera. Muhammad Adnan Ashraf, bete you also. Any confusion so that we can move on. Right, I don't think so any confusion over here. Right, we have done three types of important salts. Now we are moving towards double salts. Now you can see as the name is indicating double salts means more than one salt is going to be added and they are going to be attached and then forming which is known as double salt. Now according to the definition you can also see the page from my another account that double salts are formed by two normal salts when they are crystallized from a mixture of equimolar saturated solution. Now here are some terminologies which you have already studied in class 9 solution chapter. That must be clear to you that equimolar. Let's say this is our solution in which we are adding sugar and water, and it is a very saturated solution, means it don't have capacity to absorb more solute, that is sugar. This is a saturated solution, and let's say it is 3 molar solution of sugar in water. So we can say when we crystallize two different kind of salts that are of equimolar and from saturated solution, they are known as double salts. Now there are some examples that the individual salt components retain their properties, means only one salt is present, they have the ability to retain it. But in the case of this, we have different tests that the anions means which ions and cations, you must know that what is it is known as, that they give their respective test. Daniel, are you there or not, bete? Now there are some
Yes.
examples of Mohr salts. So switch on your video. Why are you not switching it on? ये रोज की बात है, बार बार आप लोगों को कहना पड़ता है. And who is Muhammad Adnan? Is he from your class?
No.
No. What?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Today is your first class.
Yes.
Okay, switch on your camera. I can't see your face
Okay.
clearly. Daniel, did you got the book?
No.
Okay. Okay, Muhammad Adnan, beta, whenever feasible, please switch on your camera, right? Okay, so I was giving you the example of double salt. Now, first of all, we have the example of Mohr salt. Number one example is Mohr salt. Now, Mohr salt formula is ferric sulfate, Fe, ferric sulfate, SO4. This is one salt. Then NH4 twice SO4. This is another salt along with 6 water molecules. And 6 water molecules is the water of crystallization. When we extract it out, we don't have the same property as it is with water molecules, right? So over here we can say double salt is the mixture of 2 1 FeSO4 ferric sulfate dot ammonium sulfate dot 6 water molecule. This is the formula of Mohr salt. इस double salt को हमने Mohr salt का name दे दिया है. Then we have potash alum, जिसको हम आम जबान में फटकरी भी बोलते हैं. Potash is basically potassium. Potash alum, right? अब इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? इसका फॉर्मूला है पोटेशियम सल्फेट K2SO4 dot aluminium sulfate Al2SO4 twice and 24 water molecules. Means water of crystallization is 24. Let's say if someone have given you the formula and asked what is water of crystallization, तो वो water of crystallization होता है जिसको हम remove कर सकते हैं. पानी के कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं. सो ओवर हेयर इन पोटाश एलम, जिसको हम फटकरी भी बोलते हैं, राइट, 24 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल होते हैं. Similarly, ferric alum is also the example formula you can see on the screen, that K2SO4, Fe2SO4 twice and 24 water molecules are examples of double salts, right? So this was about double salts that consist of more than one normal salt. These are normal salts. तो उनके combination से जो salt बनेगा, that is known as double salt. Another example of mixed salts. Now, what are mixed salts? Mixed salts are basically those salts which contain one or more basic or acid radicals, right? Bleaching powder is an example. Bleaching powder का formula जो है, ये formulas आपको जिसे कहते हैं ना जुबानी पानी की तरह याद होने चाहिए. Bleaching powder CaOCl. This is the formula of bleaching powder, and it is an example of mixed salt. Means it has one basic and one acidic radical in it, right? Now moving on the next page, it's page number 42. You can also open in your books. Who is unknown? Please mention your name. Lexi J6, you also mention your name. And please stop this kind of annotation. ये जो आप कर रहे हो इस तरह से मत करें. Now we are going to move on page number 42, where complex salt example is present, right? Complex salts, कौन से salts होते हैं? Complex salts are basically those salts with dissociation provide a simple cation and a complex anion. Means जब उनको ionization की जाती है या उनको dissolve किया जाता है पानी में या किसी और solvent में, then what happens? They are going to produce a simple cation. एक positive ion बन जाता है और उसके साथ एक complex ion बनता है, that is in form of anion. या इसके opposite होता है, right? Let's say complex ion का कह रही हूँ कि जब this is a salt, when it is going to be dissociated in water or someone else, तो anion अगर बन रहा है तो उसके साथ एक complex cation बनेगा और vice versa, means opposite. अगर cation बन रहा है तो उसके साथ एक complex anion बनेगा, ठीक है? एक चीज जो बन रही है उससे दूसरी चीज होगी. एग्जाम्पल इज पोटेशियम फेरिसियानाइड, जिसका फॉर्मूला है पोटेशियम K4 FeCN6. पोटेशियम फेरिसियानाइड, दिस इज अ ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट. अगर आपने पढ़ा हो 9th क्लास में ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट आर कलर्ड कंपाउंड. इनकी कलर्ड प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं, इनकी ट्रांजिशन जो है वैलेंसी होती है, स्टेट्स +1 +3. मीन्स यहाँ पे पोटेशियम की चेंज है, फेरिक की चेंज है. बट इसकी जब हम डिसोसिएशन करेंगे तो व्हाट हैपेंस ऑन आयोनाइजेशन, जब इसका रिएक्शन होगा तो पोटेशियम अलग हो जाएगा और बाकी जो बच जाएगा आपके पास कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन, दैट इज this. So it means it is giving us a simple cation along with a complex anion. So these kind of ions or salts are known as complex salts. We are going to do use of salts. Daud, which on your video with it? All the boys of 10th class, please beta, you need to switch on your videos. Don't do again and again. Galaxy J6, who is over there? Can you please tell me? Okay. So here is now uses of salt. जब भी आप ये याद करेंगे, you need to learn as well the name and the formula as well, right? So the first one is over here, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is usually known as table salt. The salt which we have in our home, that is known as sodium chloride, right? It is commonly used as a table salt and for cooking purposes. पहला purpose इसका ये है कि cooking purposes के लिए use होता है. Number two, it can also be used for de-icing the roads. What is de-icing? De-icing means whenever there is snow falling in some northern area, or even once happened in Pakistan as well, Lahore, that little bit snow was over there. उसको de-ice करने की जरूरत नहीं होती, but the environment of weather of Murray is like that they need to de-ice the road. De-ice means उसको पिघलाना चाहिए so that there will be way to move on. So de-icing के लिए होता है, if you just prick some amount of pinch of sodium chloride on that road, it is going to help to de-icing the road in winter. And then it is used to manufacturing of sodium metal and caustic soda. Caustic soda का formula आता है? Anybody knows the formula? I have told many times. Yes, boys and girls, what is the formula of caustic soda? Elsa? Beta, what is the formula of caustic soda? Do you know? Elsa? Elsa, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
What is the formula of caustic soda?
Caustic soda. NaOH.
NaOH, shabash. Sodium hydroxide is also known as caustic soda, and it is very dangerous. आप उसको ऐसे ही हाथ से नहीं पकड़ सकते. इसके छोटे से pellets होते हैं. If you touch it, it will causes bristles on your skin. छाले बन जाते हैं, ठीक है? Okay. So sodium chloride is also used in the manufacturing of. Daud, switch on your video. कितनी मरतबा कहूँ आपको? And the Galaxy J6. Who is there? Beta, what's your name? चलें आप अपनी सेटिंग कर लें, then we will see. Okay. So I was saying here, and washing soda. Washing soda का formula sodium carbonate Na2CO3 along with 10 water molecules is known as washing soda. Now there comes sodium carbonate. So you must know the formula. Sodium carbonate formula is Na2CO3. That is also known as soda ash. Now there is a very major difference that when you have Na2CO3 then water molecules, then it is known as washing soda. And when you have alone sodium carbonate whose water is removed, then it is known as soda ash. So this is a very big difference between sodium carbonate. Hence इनके changes भी uses भी change हो जाएंगे. So coming towards first soda ash, sodium carbonate, it is used for the manufacturing of glass industry, detergents, then pulp and paper, and so many other chemicals are produced, right? Then comes sodium carbonate, that is washing soda. It is used as cleaning agent for domestic and commercial purposes. Means घर में भी हम इसको यूज करते हैं और commercial areas में भी इनको यूज किया जाता है. It is also used for softening of water. जो hard water होता है जिसमें deuterium और tritium ions are greater, उसकी softening के लिए हम sodium carbonate और washing soda को add करते हैं. Then it is also used in the manufacturing of borax, glass and soap and paper industry. Then comes sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Very important to learn the formulas, right? Sodium sulfate is basically used for manufacturing of glass, paper and detergents. Then right. Then come the terms of sodium silicate. Sodium silicate formula is Na2SiO3. It is used for manufacturing of detergents, cleaning agents and adhesives. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कुछ भी लिख रहे हैं उसके यूज में. You can make a list कि ये हमारे सॉल्ट्स हैं. कॉमन इनके जैसे डिटर्जेंट्स में सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड भी यूज हो रहा है, सोडियम कार्बोनेट भी यूज हो रहा है, सोडा ऐश भी यूज हो रहा है. आप कॉमन यूजेस की अलग से लिस्ट बना सकते हैं ताकि आपको याद रहे, और बाकी जो है उनके यूजेस यू शुड लर्न दैट. सिलिकेट की जो प्रॉपर्टी होती है दैट इज अ वेरी गुड प्रॉपर्टी के एडहेसिव मटेरियल है, वो चिपक जाता है, ज्वाइन हो जाता है, जस्ट लाइक ग्लू लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. So sodium silicate is a very big example of adhesive. Then sodium chlorate, NaClO3. Sodium chlorate is used for the manufacturing of explosive, धमाकेदार चीजें जैसे ये जो पटाखे मिलते हैं आपको, फुलझड़ियाँ और ये अनार एंड द थिंग्स लाइक दैट, ये सारे का सारे स्टफ में हम लोग सोडियम क्लोरेट की कुछ क्वांटिटी ऐड करते हैं. देन प्लास्टिक्स एंड अदर केमिकल्स. आप देखते हो प्लास्टिक में भी थोड़ी सी एबिलिटी है. व्हेन यू पुट इट ऑन द हीट इट गेट्स, you can say ये मेल्ट होना शुरू हो जाता है. So it has some quantity of sodium chlorate as well. Then sodium tetraborate. Tetraborate means there are 4 boron atoms. 3 4 Na2B4O7 10 water. It is also known as borax. Sodium tetraborate को हम borax भी बोलते हैं. Okay? It is used for manufacturing of heat-resistant glass, pyrex, glazes, and enamels in leather industry for soaking and cleaning hides. Hides क्या होती हैं? Anybody knows? किसी को पता है what is the meaning of hide? HIDE hides. Anybody? Anybody knows the meaning of hide? Fatma Kuratulan, do you know the meaning of hide? That what is hide? It's written the last word of the page. HIDES. Hides. Elsa, Betty, do you know?
No, miss.
No idea about that even. Have you ever listened hide? Skin. What is the difference between skin and hides? सुना कभी?
No.
No? Okay, basically hide is a type of skin as well. जैसे let's say on the occasion of Bari Eid al-Adha, which is about to come, many of the people and many of the different, you can say, securities or different kind of companies, social workers want to take the skin of the slaughtered goat and stuff like that. What they do, they basically tanned it with sodium chloride. उसको sodium chloride लगाते हैं, then it is getting preserved. कि वो लंबे अरसे के लिए प्रिजर्व हो जाती है. देन इट इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग लेदर पर्पसेस. लेदर इंडस्ट्री आपकी इससे फ्लरिश होती है. और हाइड क्या है? हाइड इज बेसिकली द स्किन ऑफ दैट गोट. एक स्किन होती है विच इज जस्ट लाइक इट्स माई स्किन. इट्स नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ हार्ड. इट गेट्स इजीली ब्रूज्ड. इस पे नील आसानी से पड़ जाता है. इफ यू पिंच विद नीडल it get pricked. But hide is the skin of animals, right? The skin of animal is known as hide, जिसको आप इजीली रप्चर नहीं कर सकते. आपको पता है उनकी स्किन लिटिल बिट थोड़ी सी हार्ड होती है और तरह की होती है. सो द स्किन ऑफ ऑल द गोट्स, एनिमल्स, कैमल्स, जितने भी एनिमल्स हैं इज नोन एज हाइड. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पेज. It's page number 43. You can also open it on your book if you are not convenient to see from here. So, next salt name is calcium chloride. CaCl2. CaCl2. Calcium chloride. Now the name is indicating the calcium. Calcium chloride is also used for de-icing the roads, and sodium chloride is also used. Okay, in winter, and it is also used as a drying agent of chemical reagents as a freezing agent. Means when you want to sodium gas, जो है sorry, liquid nitrogen gas, that is also used for the same purpose. So this was the use of calcium chloride. Now we can see the use of calcium oxide quicklime. Calcium oxide is also known as quicklime. Quicklime, washing soda, soda ash, these all are named commercial names, right? Nobody, no, not even an ordinary layman who didn't read chemistry at any stage of life, he don't know their formula. So जब भी आप commercially जाके demand करते हैं किसी चीज की, you just take the name. जैसे आपको calcium oxide चाहिए, you will go and say we need quicklime, right? If you need baking soda, तो आप जाके markets में you always demand baking soda. You never say that I want sodium carbonate with 10 water of crystallization. That will be very horrible experience for any shopkeeper. That's what you are saying. So these names are assigned quicklime. जैसे calcium oxide को बोला गया है, it is for generally layman, तो वो understand कर ले what you are saying. So it is used as drying agent for gases and alcohol, and in steel making. The other use is water treatment and other chemicals. Water treatment means जब water comes from the, you can say from drainage and some other place which is not that clear, then what they have to do, they have to clean it out, right? Muhammad Adnan, better switch off your switch off your mic. On the left side of your laptop or on your screen, there is an option of mic. You can just click it. वहाँ पे unmute mute की option होगी. You can do it. Thank you. Okay, so calcium oxide can be also used as a bleaching powder and in the manufacturing of calcium carbide. Calcium carbide की preparation के लिए CaCO3 is calcium carbide formula. For purification of sugar, a mixture of calcium oxide and sodium hydroxide called soda lime is used to remove carbon dioxide and water vapors from the air. Now there is a reaction that calcium oxide, if we react with sodium hydroxide, soda lime is going to be formed. Basically, if this is soda lime is also present in our carbonated drinks as well, right? And it is going to be excreted out or remove carbon dioxide and water vapors from the air. Then comes calcium sulfate. And when we were studying about water of crystallization, we have mentioned two examples that calcium sulfate CaSO4 has two water of crystallization. Just like we have studied about copper sulfate, that it has 5 water molecules. The same case in calcium sulfate, we have 2 water of crystallization. मेरा बार बार आपको बताने का मकसद ये है so that आपको पिछली वाली चीजें भी रिकॉल होती जाएं. These are very common questions from multiple times in the exam. और ये 3 के marks हैं. If you know that how many water of crystallization, only 2 over there, right? So gypsum is used as fertilizer. It is also known as gypsum, and it is used to prepare plaster of Paris, right? Which is used for making statues and cast, etc. Now there is last one, which is potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate is used as fertilizer and it is used for making flint glass, right? Now we have done with the usage of salts as well. You have to learn it along with the formula, along with their generic and brand name, so that any from anywhere question comes, you will be able to attempt it. Like if they say write down the two uses of soda ash, then you will be definitely confused that what's going on. You should know that soda ash is sodium carbonate without water crystallization, right? So this is very, very important that you should also learn the name along with the formula, because sometimes it happens in the exams. Either it is going to, they will deliberately might be given you the formula, they can give you the brand name just like quicklime, and they can also give you that calcium oxide. So you have to learn each and everything so that कहीं से भी आपके marks deduct ना हो सके, right? Then there is only one example left, which is neutralization reaction. And all of you know neutralization reaction is basically a reaction between an acid base. When they are going to react, they will form salt along with water. बहुत दफा हमने ये इस चैप्टर में पढ़ लिया है. Now you can also see on the book that acid plus base give us salt plus water. जो products बनेंगी, there are some examples when HCl is going to react with sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride along with the liberation of water. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड को जब हम रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं NaOH के साथ, तो सोडियम सल्फेट और वाटर, but 2 moles of that. Then there comes the acetic acid. This is also known as vinegar. When it is going to be reacted with sodium hydroxide, then we will get sodium carbonate, sodium acetate and water. Right now, we have only left with 9 minutes. If you have any questions, you can ask. Then there is test yourself 10.5. If any question from your side, you can do. I am writing the homework for you. You have to do it. Question number 1. What are double and mixed salts? Explain complex salts. Give example. Then there is question. What are uses of salt? And another question. This is test yourself 10.5. This is the homework for your weekend and you have to do it. Please take a screenshot or either write it down. And if you have any question, you can ask. Reena, any question, Bitin?
This will be homework sent in the group.
Yes, Adnan?
इस ग्रुप में भेजा जाएगा ये होमवर्क.